Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. You know, it's funny, my last video of 2021 was a Harbor Freight 30% off sale. My first video of 2022, you guessed it, Harbor Freight 30% off sale. They're doing it again now for the beginning of the new year. It starts today, Friday, January 14th, and runs through Monday, January 17th. I love this sale for a few reasons. Let me explain what it is really quick first. Anything in the store under $10, you can buy up to 5 a day, so a limit of 5 per day. $10 and under, you get 30% off. If you're an Inside Track Club member, same deal, it just goes up to $20 and under, 5 a day. There's 4 days of this sale. What makes this great is the Harbor Freight F-clamps. You new woodworkers, the Harbor Freight F-clamps are a great way to get a nice rack of clamps inexpensively. They are all under $10 to start with, which is a great price at regular manufacturer pricing. 30% off is a great deal. You can get 20 clamps through the life of this sale. So I think it's a really good sale. There's plenty of other things in Harbor Freight under $10 or $20 that are also worthwhile. You can also do this online, but unfortunately it's a limit of 1 per day online. And over $10, $10 to $20, you want Inside Track Club people, unfortunately, it's in store only for that part of the sale. So you got to go into the store for that piece of it. I'm not going to beat this sale up. I've spoken about it many times now. You know what it is. You know I like it. Go ahead and get yourself some clamps and save some money. Have a great new year. We'll see you in the next video.